We are going to start on page 4 of our lesson 5, The Rise of Civilizations Digital Notebook. This is video part 3. And the first question, what 8 basic features did most early civilizations share? You will find that list of 8 basic features in this green highlighted paragraph. Let's listen now.
What are the features of civilizations? The civilizations that arose in different parts of the world differed in many ways. Still, all of them had certain things in common. Most early civilizations shared 8 basic features: cities, organized governments, established religion, job specialization, social classes, public works, arts and architecture, and a system of writing.
All right, please list all of those 8 basic features under number 1 in your digital notebook. Number 2, cities served as centers for what? You will find that answer in this pink highlighted paragraph.
Cities. The first of these features was cities. Early cities emerged near farming centers. As food surpluses led to rapid population growth, villages grew into cities, and cities grew into civilizations. They served as centers of religion, government, and culture. A few ancient population centers, such as Damascus, Syria, are still major cities today.
Number 2, cities served as centers for what? There are 3 things listed. Please list all 3 things in your digital notebook now. Let's move on to number 5, page 5 in your digital notebook. We're just going to continue on reading in organized government. I'm going to let both of these paragraphs be read to you before I pause. So let's go and hit play.
Organized government. The second feature of early civilizations was a well-organized government. One role of government is managing society's resources so that people get those things they need to survive. A strong government can also form and train an army to defend a society from attack or to expand its borders. As populations grew, government became more difficult. Powerful rulers called warlords took control of tribes in larger areas and formed governments headed by kings or queens. They relied on large numbers of public officials who handled different duties.
Number 1, what are the roles of government? They talk about 2 different things that the government does. Please list both of them. Here's one, and then it also says also. So give me both roles of the government. Page 6, you're going to notice that first question is a mastery check question. I am going to pause after it is read. These 2, I think this is 2 sentences. The question is, which feature of civilization is a set of shared spiritual beliefs? Let's go ahead and listen now.
Established religion. A third common feature of a civilization was an established religion, or a set of shared spiritual beliefs. Everyone generally followed the same beliefs and practices.
Number 1 again, which feature of civilization is a set of shared spiritual beliefs? You'll find that answer in these 2 circled yellow sentences. Number 2, in what way was religion often connected to government in early civilizations? That answer will be in this pink highlighted 3 sentences.
Religion was often linked to government. Rulers of early civilizations usually claimed that their right to rule came from the gods. In China, for example, emperors were called sons of heaven.
Number 2, in what way was religion often connected to government in early civilizations? Go ahead and get the answer from the pink highlighted sentences here. All right, let's continue to just listen to what is happening here.
In most early civilizations, people believed in many gods and goddesses that controlled most events in their lives. People feared their gods, but also hoped that the gods would protect them from harm. To keep their gods and goddesses happy, priests offered sacrifices and led prayers. This prayer is from the civilization of ancient Sumer. Primary source. May the known and unknown God be pacified. May the known and unknown goddess be pacified. The sin which I have committed, I know not. My God, my sins are 7 times 7. Forgive my sins. My goddess, my sins are 7 times 7. Forgive my sins. Penitential Psalms, translated by Robert F. Harper. From the earliest times, religion included beliefs about life after death. People also looked to their religion for rules about how to treat one another and how to live moral lives.